Good everyone, you're welcome to this video. To my new and old subscribers, you're welcome to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Mockup. So I'm going to show you how to use Mockup with your Adobe Photoshop. So it's very simple. Please, I want you to stick to me to the end of this video and make sure you pay close attention. So now this is our Photoshop. Now the very first thing I'm going to show you is how to get the mockups. So you can go over to your Google. There is this website called the apemockups.com. So as you can see, we have different mockup here. You can search for different mockup on apemockups.com. We also have this other website which is the freepik.com. I hope you understand. Just search for the mockup, and once you search for the mockup, automatically Freepik is going to give you different mockups to download. It is very simple. So now let me show you this one. Let's close it. As you can see, this is we are on freepik.com. So once you search for freepik.com, let's just search for freepik.com. automatically you'll be redirected to their website. So once you get to their website, just search for mockups. If you want to search for snacks mockup, you just search for snacks mockup. I hope you understand. So you'll be specific. Snacks mockups. So Freepik will give you varieties of snacks mockup. As you can see, we have different mockups here. Can you see? So all you just need to do is to download it and take it directly to your Adobe Photoshop. It is very simple. Now if you want to download it, it will be a PSD format. This PSD format. So all you just need to do is just select it like this. As you can see, it's in PSD format, and click on download. Automatically it will be downloaded on your computer. I hope you understand. So let's go back to our Photoshop. So now this is our Photoshop, right? So I have downloaded some mockups on my system. So we are going to make use of the mockups. So go over to this. So I have these mockups here. Let's double click on these mockups. Let's wait for it to load. Good. So please, I want you to pay close attention to this tutorial. I want you to pay close attention. Now here on Adobe Photoshop, now we have this mockup like this. Now you have to understand something. It depends on the kind of mockup you want to use. Most especially if you want to create a 3D logo for a logo, make all your design will be in PSD format. I mean, all your design you are going to bring over to your Photoshop will be in PNG format. It will be a design that does not have a background. I hope you understand. So let's continue. As you continue, don't worry, you understand what I'm trying to say. So double click on this, come to the right side of this screen. Can you see this place? Just double click on it. So once you double click on it, it will replace this screen. Double click on that place. Can you see? So now this mockup is different from others. So that is why you need to pay close attention. So now you've already double click once, right? So you still do the same thing here. Double click on this place again. Yes. As you can see now, this is their logo that they use. So as you can see, this logo does not have a background. So if you want to import your logo to your Photoshop for your 3D, to make it 3D, make sure you are importing a logo that does not have a background, please. So now, as you can see, now let's paste our logo. Go over to our file and you go over to place embedded. Select place embedded. Now let's select our logo. Let's select random logo. Okay, now good. So I have a logo here. Place this logo. Can you see? Now this logo does not have a background. Just try to extend it, make it look more bold. Can you see? This logo does not have a background. So once you do it like that, on your keyboard just click on enter, right? So once you click on enter, come over to this downside. Can you see this? Replace this logo, just off it. Automatically this one will be off. So now come over here. Is either you close it like this, and click on yes, or you come over to your file and select save. Okay, one of the two, both works. I hope you understand. Don't worry, in the next one you see that I will make use of this and it will work for us. So let's hold on. As you can see, saving 99%. This will definitely change. Okay, done. Let's select this. Can you see? That's great. Now if you notice something, the color here is different from the color here, right? So for us to bring out that color, come over to this side, select this effect. You see that drop down, and come over to this layer, this layer copy, off it, this layer one, off it, and this off it. Automatically you will get your color back. Alright, so you get the color back. It depends on the color you want to use. Can you see? So we get our color back. So now once you get to this point, we are still coming back to this point. We want it to be on this mockup here. So this is where we are now. So now come over here, cancel this one, close it like this, and click on yes. Automatically it will be transformed to this place. As you can see, it's saving 99%. Let's wait for it to load. Good. So come over here. Can you see? So this is how to make use of this mockup. So let's test another mockup as well. Now come over here. Come over here. Come over here. And let's test another mockup. Okay. So click on it. Let's allow it to open. Automatically it will take you directly to your Adobe Photoshop. Alright, loading. Good. So now this is this mockup. It is different from the first one we did. So as you can see, now come over to this side. If you should check this area, you will notice that there is place your logo here. Please make sure you go through it so that you don't do mistake. That exact one that it says that we should place our logo here, we are going to double click on it. Yes, good. So as you can see, we need to bring logo that does not have a background. So come over to our file, go over to place embedded, and let's make use of that same logo. This is it. Place. Yes, you can just try and increase it look more big, and click on enter on your keyboard. Off this, can you see? Off it, and go over to save. Go over to file and select save. Yes, automatically this logo will be turned to a 3D logo. It is very simple. Can you see? It's so beautiful. So this is another method to make use of your logo in Adobe Photoshop. These are how to use the mockup in Adobe Photoshop. So let's try another one. Let's try one more. Okay, let's try this free snacks packaging. Now this free snacks packaging, so let's hold on. So that mockup will determine the kind of logo or the kind of design you are bringing to your Photoshop. So it depends on the mockup you want to use. I hope you understand. Good. Can you see? This is just a normal snacks. Good. So now come over here. Can you see these snacks? Just click on this drop down. Alright, let's go over to this TST and now let's check something. We are looking for where to paste the logo, right? Come over to this group one. Good. Can you see? Place your artwork. So this is where you are going to paste your artwork. Now double click on it. As you can see, this is the design. So any design you want to bring to this mockup now, it must have a background. I hope you understand. It must have a background. So I'm just going to use a random design. Now go over to file and go over to place embedded. And let's make use of this naming ceremonial design. Okay, just a normal design, please. So I'm just using this for the purpose of this tutorial. Yes, I'm just using this for the purpose of this tutorial. Just click on enter. Good. Once you click on enter, can you see? Yeah, just off it and go over to file and click on save, and let's see the outcome. Yes, let's see the outcome. Okay, it's done. Come over here and select this. Can you see? Can you see? It's amazing. All right, so if you want to remove all these logos that you're seeing here, all you just need to do is just walk through this design. You can select this. As you can see, one is off. Select this one. Good. The other one is off. Select these graphics. Automatically remove them. So you can now go over to your file and go over to your exports and export your design. So it is very simple. Please, and with this simplified tutorial and the explanation that I gave you in this video, I believe that you'll be able to make use of any mockup in Adobe Photoshop. Please, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, do well to subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to be dropping a tutorial that will be mind-blowing. Please subscribe, click on the post notification bell so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Make sure you share this video too to your social media account, share it, and don't forget, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your time. I will see you in my next video.